This happened. The second time I got this issue in like a week. Does not turn on. No way. Is the reverse, but it's not working. You can put in parking. You can put in drive. You can put all the shifts, but does not. The motor does not run. Now turn. Come on.